fellows. I study at the College of Engineering, and I'll be graduating later this year with a Master's of Science in Mechanical Engineering with a concentration on wind energy. And I came to UMass really for the wind energy research programs. There's just an incredible research thrust here, and I've always wanted to get into wind energy. And whenever I looked at grad programs in wind, UMass was always the top of the list, and it's definitely lived up to that. It's been really, really great here. I'm from New Haven, Connecticut, and I went to undergrad at Yale there, also in mechanical engineering. And ever since I had this internship at a power plant in Connecticut, actually, I just got interested in the energy sector, and that combined with a desire to use my engineering skills for climate change mitigation really led me to wind power. So my coursework here has covered a lot of facets of wind energy, and also some more foundational engineering topics to expand what I learned in undergrad. I took 2 of the core wind energy engineering courses with Professor James Manuel. I learned about design considerations for all of the different components of the wind turbine systems, in addition to transmission infrastructure and energy markets and public perception, acoustics even. It's permitting, turbine simulation, project financing, just all of the different considerations that go into wind energy projects in the United States and just global these days. And outside of specific wind energy courses, I took structural dynamics and risk analysis and solid and fluid mechanics, which just kind of deepened my knowledge of those more fundamental topics. Yeah, which just provide a base for all of the wind energy knowledge that I've been gaining. And my research focuses on floating offshore wind turbines, which is really exciting for me. It's just one of the frontiers of wind energy these days. And I look at next generation kind of 15 megawatt floating wind turbines in extreme ocean conditions, just very high winds and high waves with kind of directional differences between the wind and waves. And I look at how those conditions affect the mooring and anchoring systems for those floating wind turbines. And that's been a great experience. I've been working under Professor Matt Lackner and Sanjay Arwadi, who are both at the Wind Energy Center. And through that research and also the coursework, I've just gained a ton of experience in coding, data analysis, and turbine simulation. Those are actually the main skills that helped me land an internship for after I graduate later this year. I'm really, really excited about that. Yeah, it's been a great experience here. But I've always wanted to get into engineering work in wind energy. And that's, UMass has definitely given me the skills to do that. I'll be working at a wind turbine manufacturer, working on blade design and blade analysis work right after school. And I'm really interested in gaining skills there and using those skills to just develop the wind energy industry overall. The Wind Energy Fellows is one of the programs that actually attracted me to UMass. In addition to the Wind Energy Center and research prestige of the university, it just really showed a dedication to wind energy research and to creating a community of wind energy researchers, which I've really, really benefited from. I think that's the biggest thing for me with the Wind Energy Fellows is there's always communications about different opportunities to join in seminars or go to conferences or internship opportunities just being shared among the fellows and among the members of the Wind Energy Center broadly. And that's just been really, really great. It always feels like I'm just getting to use the knowledge that I gained in my courses to learn more from these seminars. Everything just feels relevant and connected with this wind energy community here.